we doing today?
Hi guys, today we're gonna be making a soap exploding pyramid. So
What are we gonna need?
So we're gonna need an ivory soap, and we are gonna need a bowl. The bowl is to avoid the mess.
Alrighty. And what else do we need to put all of this in?
A microwave, but make sure you grab a grown-up because the microwave is very hot.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, we are back at the microwave. So
yeah. So I'm gonna put it in. So here we go. I'm trying not to get my whole body in. There we go.
Thank you.
Now there we go. So Dad's gonna put in the microwave. He's a grown up, and always have a grown up to use the microwave. Yeah, so happy that we're doing this.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Is it coming up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Whoa. You can't really see it on the camera. Well, yeah. Love you, Dad.
Yeah, love you too, sweetheart. Oh, do you see it now? Look how big it is.
Oh.
It smells so much nicer, doesn't it?
It smells like a dream. Did I say it smells like a dream?
Yes, you did. Okay, let's see.
It's really... I'm not allergic to this one. It already smells like... So wow.
What does it feel like?
It feels so like... It feels like popcorn.
Or marshmallow, maybe?
It's really kind of hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it?
Yeah. It's a little bit. And I think it might feel like mashed potatoes. Bye. Bye, guys. So, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe to our channel.